Omega Laser, I've been doing mobile service for 18 years since we started. So basically what would happen is if a corporation is interested in having us come to their location and treating some employees, we would send them some information, a sign-up sheet, just to see how many people are interested. And then once we have the people booked, we send them an information package by email. It's basically our consultation via email. And then the day of the actual treatment, either myself or another technician would show up, and then we would get the group together just for a 10-minute discussion where I would explain everything, answer everybody's questions. And then we would use one of their boardrooms. We bring all our equipment in, which is portable. And then we would give each employee a treatment. The treatment takes about 20 minutes. So it's roughly 30 minutes per person. So the employee would come in, get treated, and they could go straight back to work right afterwards. And we would treat them right at the workplace just to save people from taking time off work. So this mobile program is extremely effective. If you needed backup support, you would have to come to one of our 20 locations across Ontario. We don't go back to the workplace to do retreatments, but only 1 in 10 on average of our clients is needing a second treatment within their first years. Backup support is there. And of course, 10% off to all groups and corporate clients.